21 as well. So it is down 7% at post market. So it's very close to that buy level of 662, the first buy level. Then the next buy level is around 587. And then once you drop below 587, then that's when it gets more likely to come under $5, and then you start looking at around $5 trying to buy in. So a few buy-in zones for you there. The first one was where we are very close to now. If you want to deploy some cash, the next one's just below $6 or around that $6 mark. The next one's just below $5, around that $4.70, and the one after is just at around $4. But that's the chart for you, Craig. And then obviously what you're looking for is either sort of taking profits at around the moving averages around $10, and then ultimately $17 would be nice to take some profits, then $24, $27. And then once we break those levels, we can start talking about the next area. But $17 is where I would be putting my target. But thank you very much, Craig. Thank you, Zach. I hope you heard. Did you hear what I said, Zach, about sending me the message? I'll wait for you to answer that. Let's tune into Martyn for a second.
Here we go. No.
Yeah, $6 doesn't seem like a bad area to be buying in.
I think Sensei is broadcasting to our extra channel, which is kind of weird.
Am I?
Yeah, he is.
How's that happening?
Here we go.
And thank you for standing by. The SoundHound Q1 2024 earnings.
How would I be broadcasting to the... What is going on? But anyway, I have no idea how I'm starting to stream on Martyn's channel. I don't know what's going on. How has that happened?
Let's see how that...
Please press star 11 again. Please be advised that today's conference is being recorded.
Am I streaming on Martyn's channel now? Started 2 minutes ago. What? How have I started streaming on Martyn's? Did it start? It started exactly at 10 o'clock. Did I have a timer? I am so confused. Okay, wait, I'm actually streaming on Martyn's channel now, so I need to
Also note that the forward-looking statements on this call are based on information available to us. We undertake no obligation to update any forward-looking statements. Finally, this call is being audio.
It started on the hour. Okay, this is really confusing.
Replay will be available. With that, I'd like to...
Okay, well, thank you for joining. Okay, I have no idea how to even introduce myself now. Well, welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor's Extra Channel. My name is Sensei Crypto, and we have just done the Funware earnings. It was about a 15-minute event. We are streaming on my personal channel because it was a backup, just because somehow we weren't able to stream on the extra channel. We are now we are now back on the extra channel. It looks like I'm doing the Monday show for you guys. I'm currently streaming on 2 different channels at the same time. and I'm also answering Craig's questions on Funware because that's the earnings we just covered. If people put in big buy orders for stock at low levels, can this drive the price down? No, but then people look at the order books and see that there's a large number of orders at that level, meaning that people that manipulate stocks are trying to buy it back in at that level, and then they sort of sell out, waiting for a buy-in zone, which is normally corresponds to support and resistance, and that's how support and resistance builds up, and then that sort of brings the stock price down because everyone's waiting for those levels. So that's the way it can drive it down, but it doesn't always work out. So that's sort of my answer. But I'm just confused about how we're now streaming on a completely different. No, I can't do it. Martin, I will have to leave. If people, oh, so you're now, excuse me, you're now watching on the main. Okay, well, whatever's happening, I best get myself out of here. I'm sorry for whatever's going on. Me and Martyn will have a conversation about this later and try and figure out what happened and for it not to happen again. But to buy some now, or wait for the bell tomorrow. Wait, to buy some now. Oh, thank you, Martyn. I have no idea what's. By the way, do you want to buy some now or wait for the bell tomorrow? I wouldn't be able to tell you that. It's just flip a coin and make a decision. Heads, I buy now. Tails, I wait for opening of trade tomorrow. It's just where you want to be buying the stock. I'm not going to pretend I know how to day trade on a basically an hourly basis because I don't know. I mean, if you get to your level of around the 667, which is sort of that now, you might want to buy some now because people might buy in by tomorrow morning. But if you're not willing to pay the price for what it is now, then you can wait tomorrow, a month or so until you get your buy price. But it's for me, because it's quite close to that buy level, I'd buy it. I'd nibble at it now. Bless you, bless you. Thank you, guys. I'm still recovering, and now I'm just really confused about what has happened with the streams. But I best end the stream because everyone's going to get confused why I'm streaming so randomly. How many people? It's fine. We've got 6 people, which is a fair amount, but we need to get out of here. So thank you very much. Sorry, Craig, that we didn't do the full earnings, but I was actually live and I thought I was speaking to you, but I wasn't. And as soon as I could, I brought you over to my own channel. So you missed about 5 minutes, and then it finished in about another 15 minutes. So all in all, wasn't a long earnings. Until next time, please do take care of yourselves and each other. Bye bye.